What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to look at the Spigen Universal Metal Kickstand. Any case that you want to have a kickstand, I advise you to get you one of these bad boys. We're going to show you how to install it. I just finished reviewing this dope case from Caseology. It's the Skyfall Ocean Blue. And the only thing missing on this is a kickstand. And I like my phones to have kickstands, so we're gonna open it up and see how to set this up. I'm gonna leave a link down below so y'all could purchase this kickstand. So it comes with two glue. It doesn't come with directions, so we're gonna wing it. So I guess it comes with two type of glue. I guess this is double-sided. So we're gonna put it on there, and we also gonna do if it still charges, if it's compatible with the wireless charging. So I guess we first got to pull this one up in there somewhere. Let's put it, let me clean this surface real quick. I'm not going to put it towards the bottom, but I'm going to put it near the bottom. So we're going to put it somewhere right there, right? That seems pretty good. Yep. And you peel that off and you're going to see the other side of it. We take the kickstand and we're gonna try to line it up as close as possible. So yep. I hope I didn't put it backwards. Let me see. No, I didn't. All right, cool. Voila. Kickstand. It's easy. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $11, $12. But there is a lot of dope cases out there that doesn't come with a kickstand. So if you wish to put a kickstand on it, there you go. Easy as that. Easy as pie. I wouldn't overdo it. Put pressure on it. Just be nice and gentle. It has a little magnet there. So all you got to do is just press it down. Pop it up, press it down. You don't got to force it. And it looks pretty nice. Let's see the back of it. Kickstand pretty nice. Can't complain about it. All right, so let's see if with the metal kickstand, if it does the wireless charging. Let's turn it off, but make sure we have there you go. I'm gonna stand it, and it charges. There you go. So it's a definitely buy. I mean, if there's a lot of dope cases out there that doesn't come with kickstand. So if you want to install a kickstand, I forgot how much it is. I'm gonna leave a link down below. And I mean, my opinion, I think it's worth it because I love this case, but this case didn't come with a kickstand and I need it. And also, always remember where you're gonna put the kickstand. I put mine, I guess, backwards, but it depends. It really doesn't matter because when you flip it, just flip it. It is what it is. I think you should definitely get this kickstand. It's perfectly. It blends in. It looks like it came with the case. And like I said before, it's a lot of dope cases that doesn't have a kickstand. So if this video was helpful for you, and you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. So if you're brand new to my channel, subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.